What's up, guys? Welcome back. As you guys know, yesterday we busted our ass off trying to get these two cars running and driving, and unfortunately my car did not make it driving, but we are gonna make it to the show still, and we're about to have some fun and chill out. It's gonna be a hot day today, so we're gonna be sweating our asses off, but hey, it's what we do for the passion of the Hondas. But we are on our way right now. I do got people in the back, my homie, my brother, got everybody else back there. Dana's back there, and also Ronald McDonald. So we'll catch you guys pretty much over there. I'm gonna be driving over there and see how it goes. So stay tuned. Well, guys, we made it to the lineup of the Honda meet. So car is there. So now we're gonna go ahead and make it down there and see how it goes. I'm driving with my 1 foot on the brake, 1 foot on the gas pedal. Don't try this at home, kids. Only professionals.
Fucking just offload the car and fucking park the trucks and trailers right there.
Can't. We got parking sign. It's $20 a trailer.
Is it? Yeah.
I'll pay for it. Don't worry.
Fucking I can take off cash.
You can pay me back after.
Yeah. Oh yeah. 20 a trailer and then 10% in a car, right?
Only professionals, dog. Dope little CRX, clean. Too congested to go over there right now. The homie Rex, Real Time Garage.
My wagon's been down for a year and a half because I bought last year.
Dana said talk. Nah. This is bad. Guy Alex from Hoppos owns this. Lowrider, hydraulics on it. His own little twist to it. Big, huge fan of this car. The owner Alex right there. Custom metal wide body on it. Big homie Roger, supercharged Vortex supercharger, EG hatch.
Where'd they go?
Ryan Maldonado. All right, 580446 going twice.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. All right, guys. So I didn't do a lot of talking in the video. It was more of a just walk around all the cars. I really didn't do a lot of recording, but hey, we got best engine bay of the show. So let's go ahead and meet up with Dana again and chop it up for a little bit. What's up, guys? Welcome back. So as you guys seen yesterday, was a crazy day being at the Honda meet and just vibing out with everybody there. Unfortunately, I didn't do a lot of recording, as you guys already seen. I recorded a little bit of the cars. I ended up getting an award for the best engine bay there. I'm really stoked on that. And again, without these guys helping me out, I wouldn't have gotten as far as we did. And believe it or not, the car went not even running. But that's what we're gonna do now, so we can end the video. We're gonna go ahead and try to get this car fired up. We have Dana's homie, Simon, and he's gonna be tapping in to help us get this car started. He's gonna be making a file so that we can run it on the K-Pro, or K-Pro, right? K-Tune K-Pro, and that way we can hopefully get the first startup on here. So I went around and I ended up putting in 2 gallons of just regular fuel into the fuel cell for now, so we can do a startup. Right now I have the battery charging from the Domani into my battery because my battery was dead. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get this car started today, and if we can, man, it would be the most amazing thing possible for me, because it shows that we at least made it to get this car started with the help of Dana and his homie Simon, Nomis Industries. But yeah, let's go ahead and see how this is gonna turn out, and fingers crossed we can get a startup. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and try to attempt it. So let's see if it'll fire up. Let me know when you're ready.
You're ready. Wait.
Got Nomis on the phone.
Let me know when you're ready.
So we're gonna go and check it out right now. Yeah, baby. Wow.
Chain tensioner, valve lash, and the biggest thing was just to know that the car turns on, and
it ran.
Turned on. You heard it. I mean, it sounds good. It's just a minute ago it was smoking, and then whatever you uploaded in the map, the fuel trim, it toned it down a little bit, and then we turned it off because there's also
it could be all my hand grease on it, you know.
Yeah. That was the first start.
First start, bro.
Yeah.
First start.
That thing cranked over without like hesitation, dude. So we know now that this K20 Z3 does fly over. Did you hear that turbo stick spooling though? That thing is tiny.
Bro, I'm so stoked, man.
All right, man. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna cut my camera and then.
Huge shout out to Nomis, man, Simon, for hooking it up, helping me out with just to get this car started and be able to fire it up, man. As you guys seen, there was a first startup on this car. Unfortunately, it's a day later than the show, but we managed to get it done. And now the grind is going to continue to get this car up in the road, get it driving, and honestly, get this car on the dyno. It's been a struggle, man. And to everybody that has backed me up, I truly appreciate everybody and all the love that everybody has shown, especially over the weekend at the car show. You know, all the love that I got on it. And again, man, just huge shout out to Dana and Simon Nomis Industries for helping me out and being able to finally get the first startup on the all-wheel drive EK Sedan. Thank you again, bro.
Yup. Hey, that thing fired, no problems, dude.
We know the motor's healthy at least. It started up quick.
Good. He said on the phone, he was listening to it and he was like, he said it sounded a little chopped, and then he was like, is it smoking? I was like, yeah, it smoked a little bit. So he adjusted the fuel trim, and then the smoke kind of went away. And he was like, yeah, it sounds better. And then I was like, yeah, it does. But we shut it off right away because no cooling system, no serpentine belt. We want the car to run on its own full voltage, so we're not like fluctuating with the
voltage and having to use the other one and all that.
So hey, the goal was to fire it over, and you guys heard it.
Yeah, man.
Fire it over.
And well, guys, pretty much that is gonna wrap it up for today. Unfortunately, you know, you guys seen we got the car started, and now progress is gonna go ahead and continue. So with that being said, guys, stay tuned for more because we're gonna get busy on it. Till next time, guys.